Hi, this is Matisha from Jan Academy. So today I will teach about the monotonic functions. After application of differentiation in tangents and normals, we study about the monotonic functions. So monotonic functions may be increasing or decreasing. So monotonic function, I will take first monotonic function, increasing function. That a function is increases monotonically. How? Suppose y is a function of x, means x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. So if x1 increases x2 is greater than x2, then fx1 is also greater than equal to fx2 in monotonic increasing function. This fx will be said as monotonic increasing if x1 increases is greater than x2, then fx1 is also greater than or equal to fx2. If x1 is less than x2, then fx1 is also less than or may be equal to fx2. Means x1 is less, then fx1 will be also less. If x1 is greater, then fx1 will be also greater. So this is just proportional to the value of y, that is fx is just proportional to the value of x here. This is monotonic increasing. And monotonic decreasing, if x1 is greater than x2, then fx1 is less than equal to fx2, is less than equal to or equal to is same. If similarly if x1 is less than x2, then fx1 is greater than equal to, just reverse. If x1 is greater than x2, then fx1 is less than or equal to fx2. If x1 is less than x2, then fx1 is greater than equal to fx2. Just opposite. So this is monotonic decreasing function and this is monotonic increasing function. Now strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. If I say strictly increasing, then monotonic, if I remove this, if I say strictly increasing, then it will mean if x1 is greater than x2, then fx1 will always be greater than fx2, not equal to. There is no possibility of equal to. If x1 is less than x2, then fx1 is also less than fx2. And strictly decreasing, similar to this. If x1 is greater than x2, then fx1 is only less than fx2. No possibility of equal to. If x1 is less than x2, then fx1 is greater than fx2. No possibility of equality. Equal sign is removed. So this is strictly decreasing and this is strictly increasing. So this is a very simple topic, but it is a very good topic. In 12th, about 4 marks question comes in 12th, but in IIT it is so, as you know. So this is the basic concept that you need to learn. Simple questions come, not major questions. For maxima minima, I will solve in the next video. So after this strictly increasing and strictly decreasing and all the monotonic functions, we will read about the maxima and minima. What is maximum function or what is maximal and minimal? How we find them? So for this video it is okay. Thank you.